Hello everyone, I'm just listening to the birds. Hope everybody's doing good today. Look, there's some kind of ruckus going on over in that tree with some birds. There they go. Oh, yesterday, I always see the best stuff when I'm don't have my phone with me. And yesterday, right above me, right here, the hawk was flying around and it was making its noise, however they do it. I can't really do that noise and but some blue jays were chasing the hawk wherever it went. And it wasn't even very high up in the air. It wasn't any higher than these power lines right here. And I could have got some great footage of it, but that's the way it goes. Well, Joy and I got up at 5:45 to take my friend who have hernia surgery, and he doesn't have any family that lives anywhere in this area or anything, and none of his other friends would take him, especially that early. So we took him and sat there for him to get registered, and everything, and they said something about he didn't have prior authorization for the surgery, so they wouldn't do it. I mean, they canceled the surgery because he didn't have insurance. He doesn't have insurance, and he's using this place. It's a charitable organization that helps people, that don't. And so they had to have something from them, and he didn't have it. So, so I've been up since 5:45, but he'll get it all straightened out, and we'll take him back to have it done. It's always something. Did y'all have a good time yesterday? What all did y'all do? We stayed right here, and we had that barbecue last night. Barbecue sandwiches and potato salad. And then we had some of that key lime pie. Oh my goodness, that's the best key lime pie I ever had from Sam's Club. We still got to go to Aldi yet. I don't think it'll be a huge bunch of stuff to get though. But it's pretty nice out this morning. It's a little cloudy. I don't know if it's going to rain or not, but it sure feels good out here right now. It's not so hot and humid. My brother is supposed to come over later on to get his squash, the spaghetti squash. And there's a little one growing over there too. But that one of his looks more like a watermelon now. Hello y'all, how are you doing? Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everyone. I hope y'all are doing good today. Let's remember the Name the Gnome contest for Mrs. Gnome. I think I'm going to do the drawing next Wednesday. I want to give y'all time for the people that have been, out of town or busy with things for the holiday. I want to give y'all time to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to me, and in my comments leave your idea for her name and then say enter me. And I can only deliver the prize in the United States and Canada, and I'm sorry about that, but the prize is the official Disney book of the new movie Dumbo. And it's a really nice book. It's good for any age, and it'll be a really good prize. So the winner will get the book. So here we go. A bird right there. It's got some red on it. On its head and its chest has some red. There was about 5 of them out here when I came out. I had to fill that back up with seed yesterday. It's a pretty little bird. There's that hawk over there, but it just went over behind these overgrown stuff. Maybe it'll fly over here, y'all. Oh man. I don't know if it's had a kill over there. I'm wondering if that might have been what happened for it to be hanging around like that. I'll bet you it's had a kill over there, and those blue jays were trying to chase it off. It's got to be on the ground right now. I'll bet you anything. Because they usually stay in the air. I guarantee you, as soon as I stop, this is when it'll come out. Wow. If those blue jays were over there, it'd be moving around, because they don't like them. They chase those hawks around. Yeah, I'm gonna give it another minute and see if here's a little birdie. It's on the ground over there. Kitty's out there right now. She must be in one of the other windows. Well, folks, I don't see the hawk. I think it's got something over there, because it went downward. So, like I said, it'll take off as soon as I quit. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope everybody has a great Friday. Remember, tonight is Logan's awesome snack reviews. I hope his leg's not bothering him too much. He should be able to do it, he said. So, looking forward to that. So everybody, please press that like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Have a great day, everyone, and I will see you later on. Bye.